Hi! Welcome to today's edition of Glitz and Hammer, and I am your host, Glitz and Hammer. Today we are going to put, finally, my house letters on my house. And we have to drill into brick to do that because I live in a mid-century modern home. So the first thing that you need to do when you're going to drill into brick is make sure that you buy a special drill bit that is specifically for drilling into concrete, brick, and mortar. And you'll notice at the end of the drill bit there's this little flat piece right here, and it's helpful. Another thing to remember, I bought a 3/16 inch drill bit. Always make sure your drill bit is smaller than your screws. Screws, which these are special concrete anchor screws, and these are 1/4 inch. So always make sure that you are very specific. These have special threads on them that will make them stay in the brick and not just fall back out. So I already have my spots marked. Now all we need to do is hang the letters. Okay, first we're going to drill our holes. This wind effect that I'm getting from my drill today. I feel like a supermodel. Step 1 complete. In case you didn't notice, when you're drilling holes into brick and concrete, you're gonna need to put your back into it just a little. Okay, now we're going to hang the letters. I took the liberty of already putting the screws through my letters that I'm trying to drill in, because therefore it's guided right into my pre-drilled holes. Should make it a lot easier, hopefully. All right, we've got one. Hopefully now that we're getting a little lower, more of my eye level, then it should be a little easier. We did it, folks. This is Glitz and Hammer. Thank you for joining me today.